In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website responsive for all screens. Whether you're designing for laptops, tablets, or smartphones, these steps will ensure your site looks polished and professional no matter where it's viewed. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to wix.com. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the login button. From there, access the website you want to make responsive. If you haven't logged into your account, now's the time to do so. Enter your credentials, and you'll be ready to proceed. Now that you're logged in, head to your dashboard. One of the options you'll see is Edit Site. Click on it. This will open the Wix editor, which is the control center for making edits both for desktop and mobile versions of your site. With the Wix editor open, let's switch to mobile view. At the top of the editor, there's a mobile icon. It looks like a phone symbol. Go ahead and click on that. This provides a preview of how your site appears on mobile devices. With mobile view activated, it's time to adjust the layout. You may find that some elements originally configured for desktop are not suited for smaller screens. Resize and reposition these elements as needed. Utilize strips, columns, and containers for a tidy arrangement. Ensure that items aren't too close together or overlapping, which can make for a cluttered appearance. If certain elements do not serve a purpose on mobile, opt to hide them using the Hide on Mobile feature for a cleaner, more focused design. As you refine your desktop view, consider enabling stretching and anchoring. Select any element to see the stretch option, which allows an item to span the full width of the screen. With anchors, you can keep elements fixed relative to sections when scrolling. These features contribute significantly to a seamless and smooth viewing experience. Next, utilize Wix's built-in responsive tools. You can activate collapse margins for strips and columns, which improve spacing automatically. Additionally, by using the stacking order, elements will rearrange themselves more efficiently on smaller screens. Don't forget to preview the site in both tablet and mobile views for a thorough check. With all these adjustments, it's crucial to preview and test your site thoroughly. Click on Preview in both desktop and mobile views. This will give you a better sense of how everything looks and works across multiple screen sizes from desktop monitors to tablets and smartphones. Make any last-minute adjustments to text sizes, images, and buttons as needed. Once you're satisfied with how your site looks across all devices, it's time to publish. Click on the Publish button to make your changes live. And just like that, your Wix website is now fully optimized to be responsive for all screens. Congratulations!